We made it!
We're in here. We made it. Bella, we made it.
Good morning from Shenandoah National Park. We're eating some breakfast right now.
Feeling good.
And we have a cup of coffee. And we're just feeling really good right now. So we figured why not make another video about this trip that we're taking.
Yeah. It's our second time here. Our first time here in the fall, and the colors have been amazing.
Yeah, hold on, let me. Can you see? I think we're in paradise right now.
Yeah.
This is only 4 hours from our house, like 4.5 hours from our house. It's a national park too. It's Friday morning right now, and we got here Thursday morning, which was yesterday. We spent a whole day like hiking and adventuring and making some good food.
Yeah, we made a campfire as well.
Yeah.
It was really fun. It felt like it lasted forever.
We're almost done with our first hike of the trip. I'd say about 3 miles. Look at this.
What would you rate it?
What would I rate this? I'd probably have to give this a solid 8. What would you give it?
Yeah, solid 8 or 7.5.
You'd rate this trail a 7.5. We always rate our hikes on a scale of 1 to 10. Finishing our second hike of the day. I already forgot what it was called, but
Mount Marshall.
Mount Marshall.
0.8 mile hike. What are we having for dinner?
Tofu scramble.
All right, you heard the woman. Let's get it.
Try some burgers in here too.
we're getting ready for the day. See what we'll get into today. Lots of hiking, lots of views, lots of food.
Well, not even 24 hours into our trip and I lost my toothbrush. So that's great. I just want to brush my teeth. I still haven't found my toothbrush. For some reason, I'm always the person on a trip that loses my dang toothbrush. We are at our first hike of the day. We have at least, what, 3-4 more hikes that we passed on the way up here?
At least, yeah.
Yep, so the move for the day, the move for the day is hiking.
I'll get a little Stony Mountain trail. How's it look?
Good, so we're gonna follow the AT and turn left.
This hike is so nice.
Perfect.
Good move. Make your next move the best. We were heading back to the truck, but we saw there was another hike on the way down.
Another summit hike.
We found out that dogs weren't allowed once we got about 3.3 miles away from the summit. So we had to take that L. I guess we'll head back and cook us some lunch.
Definitely time for brunch, that's for sure.
What would you rate this hike?
10.
Definitely a 10. Yeah, Stony Man Trail. Very nice. We found a sick picnic spot, and I'm cooking up a brunch sandwich, and then after this we're gonna take a nap, trap nap, 11-minute trap nap probably.
Right there? Take a nap right there?
Right there, maybe find a shady spot.
Mm-hmm.
After that we're gonna get to hiking again. Can't get over how sick that last view was. Alright, we are beginning our second hike of the day. This one is Mary's Mountain. We're going up to the summit. It's about a 1,200 elevation gain.
Yeah,
Foot gain.
1,200 feet elevation gain, so we're pretty much just gonna be going up for 3 miles.
I think it was a 3-hour or 2-hour hike. Oh my gosh.
I haven't looked at it.
As you see, we have made it to the top of the summit. And I think I'm just speechless out here. What do you think?
It's the best hike we've done on the trip.
Wait, look at was worth the hike.
Oh, that hike, it was so worth it.
Bella, what do you think? I think Bella likes it. See. Excuse us. Bella's gotta be front. Alright. We're heading back down to our truck. I feel like we have like about a quarter left of this hike. And our next move is
Fire.
we're just gonna hang out in our campground site, enjoy our fire, because it's our last night there. Tomorrow we have no idea where we're staying tomorrow.
Camping on the fly tomorrow night.
That's exciting. We have no idea what we're doing tomorrow, but we're gonna focus on tonight. Make the most of it.
Return it early tonight.
We're having
Impossible burgers for dinner with a side of like au gratin style potatoes. And probably some grilled peppers and onions.
Grilled veggies. Yep. Yeah, it's gonna be great.
This whole weekend is great, honestly. We just got here yesterday.
Yeah, so we're like hiking, but it's a whole inner journey type of situation going on right now. Trying to figure out what's up with our lives and stuff like that.
Just by like thinking about it, having some very interesting conversations on these hikes. Like, dang. Feels so good out here.
Yeah, it's been everything we expected and more. Saturday morning, it's around 7. We're about to head down south to see what we get into today. We are currently on the trail to see the Dark Hollow waterfall. Dark Hollow waterfalls?
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yes.
It's a 1.4 mile hike. It's easy. The only downside to it is Bella couldn't come along, so she's hanging out in the camper right now. I almost hatched my hand off yesterday, but I'm okay. A little deep wound. I like it.
What'd you rate it? We've seen a lot of waterfalls over the years.
I think a solid 9.
9?
Yeah, it's good.
I give it a 9 too because if we came back in the summer, it'd be a good spot to go swimming. It's really nice here.
Yeah, there's a lot of swimming holes here. Second hike of the day, we're going to the Mill Prong Rapidum Camp.
Which is President Herbert Hoover's old weekend fishing retreat.
Alright. Bella's ready. She can come on this hike. Wrong way, babe. Are you ready? We're on the way back from our hike number 2. All right, let's go. It's one of those hikes that I wish I could teleport back.
You wish you could what?
Teleport back to the truck.
Why?
It's a long way back. What'd you like about the retreat?
At least how informative that it was.
Everything was made with the intent. You know, the intention behind everything. Everything was conscious.
You just never know like what stuff you'll find when you're traveling.
It's a lot of things that you wouldn't think of, even of thinking, that you come across. And people, whoa, poor shit.
Whoa. Poor shit.
Poor shit lit. Come on. I was about to say something fire too.
Oh.
Alright, I remember what I was gonna say.
Okay.
I was about to talk about how cool the people are that we come across. Everyone's in a good mood. Even during this time, when it's weird that people are wearing masks while hiking, which is cool if they want to do that. But like, even behind the mask, they're still friendly.
Like everybody's so nice.
They're just trying to have a good time.
How about these one people said that we had a sick setup in our truck? I was like,
Yeah,
I know.
that's us. We're at the Big Meadows.
Oh,
We're finally going to take a shower. Fun fact, we haven't showered since Wednesday. Then I'm going to take a nap while Rachel takes a shower. But first I'm going to munch on some food. And we'll see what we'll get into after this.
we're back and we're clean.
I think the best thing about not taking a shower in days is that when you take a shower, it's like the best shower you have ever had.
Yeah, that was definitely the best shower I've ever had.
You just get more grateful to have showers at home and whatnot.
Yeah, that's definitely a luxury.
But right now we're heading. Where are we heading?
Blackrock Summit. It's like a 0.4 of a mile hike, rated easy.
We're almost there, actually.
Yeah. Update. There was nothing there. It's nothing.
It's a small area too. It's 2 groups of people there right now.
Yeah, there's people just chilling up there, so might have been a cute photo op, but yeah, not really worth it.
Okay, so we're doing our last hike of Saturday, most likely. We've actually done this hike before, but it's so sick we had to do it again. Check out this views in the fall. This hike is called Bearfence, and it's got, what's it get?
It's a 1 mile. Easy hike.
With 360 views.
360 views. There's something called a rock scramble. So dogs are not allowed on this hike, but it's only 1 mile long, so Bella's holding it down.
In the camper. Last time we hiked this, we left her in the truck and we could hear her barking
We
at
could
people.
hear her barking.
We're heading back. That view was crazy. It started raining up there, everything's slippery, so we gotta be more conscious of where we're stepping on these rocks.
Yes.
But it was definitely worth it once again.
Ooh, the rain is cold.
So it's raining now, we gotta go find a place to crash tonight. Alright, I think we found the spot for the night. About to cook up some dinner. But that's where we're sleeping tonight. Hopefully wake up to a cool view. Sunrise. Be sick. Good morning.
Good morning.
Let's check out her.
Oh, it's so wet down here. It rained last night.
I'm still reading. Oh, good morning. Ready to get out?
Good morning from a rest stop off the highway.
Why are we here? I'll tell you in a minute.
Long story short, a park ranger knocked on our window to inform us that sleeping at overlooks is prohibited in the park. Since it was late and the campgrounds were all full, we decided to crash at a rest stop just outside the park. It was wet and dreary when we woke up the next morning, so we came home a little bit early. Overall, this was such a fun trip, and we're really grateful to the kind park ranger who let us off with a warning. Subscribe to our channel to see what we get into next.